Hi, I'm Jed from GDK Veneering, joining you from Tarpley. Really cold. As you can see, I'm all muffled up. Well, that's a good thing because, like I said in one of our earlier videos, we let our lacquers cure in the cold, in the heat, so it stabilises. Anyway, back onto this set, which is an MG rv8, and if you've got one of these and it hasn't been restored, chances are it's going to look like this. So you can see on this part is all the veneer has already started to come away, and it's just clicking as it comes off like that. It is a little bit noisy in here. There's other people still working. So it looks like that, it's all flaking away. There's the end piece. There's the radio surround. And the two door cappings, you can see the state of them. It's just literally falling off. And this is really a common thing that happens on the MG rv8 sets. So what we're going to do is we're going to strip off all this old stuff, going to remove every single piece of veneer, because the door cappings are made out of solid ash. All the rest of it is made out of a plywood. So we're going to take that back down to the plywood, back down to the solid wood. Then we're going to re-veneer it with some burr elm veneer that looks like this. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray a bit of water on it so it'll give you an idea of the colour, not the finish. So originally it didn't look like this. This is the new veneer. So you can see the colour that's on there. Just give it a minute to soak in. Now this will actually mimic the lacquer, so it'll give you the colour but not the finish, because it'll be nice, shiny and polished. So the way how to find out what colour it was before is turn the glove box door over. Because that's been protected a lot more than what this has, this has kind of kept its natural colour, even though it is cracked, and we will restore that still. It's all cracked, all this has still come off, but that is a good colour match. And if we offer it up to there, you'll see that originally it's just a little bit more redder, which we can add a stain to that to make it go that colour. But in this particular case, the customer would like to keep it natural and let it fade all on its own in years and years and years to come. Because our lacquers, by the way, do have UV resistance in them, so that helps to stop the fading. It only helps. It's never ever going to stop it. Thank you very much for watching. I'm Jed from GDK Veneering. Please click like, share and tell your friends, and follow us on YouTube. Bye bye.